Hey guys, A-Family's here doing a video, and my friend will be over here in a little bit, probably going to ride with us. And so yeah, and I got a better camera view, I think, so yeah. I won't talk a lot in this video, it's going to be more of a riding video. I might. That was a little bit scary. You probably heard the bike go up really loud on that. So yeah. And guys, thank you for 40 subscribers. That's pretty big. I was at like 36, I believe, last night. And now I have 40 subscribers, so. And guys, I have my shout outs, I believe. I might have to do it in the next video because I really can't remember the person's name. Just check my last video and look at the comments and subscribe to them. And yeah. Oh. So yeah, I'm shouting them out, give them a subscribe to them, please. Guys, for like, I think I was like 7 likes or 8 likes on a photo. I know it's not a lot, but I appreciate it. I appreciate all the likes that y'all give me and everything that y'all do. I know it's only like 40 subscribers or anything, and not all of y'all are active. Not all of them are active, but most of them are. And the edit video I had, it has a few views on it. There is 30 views on it, I believe, like 35 views on it. I appreciate that. The people that view my videos. And guys, tell your friends about this channel, please. I'm gonna get this channel as big as I can get it. My friend actually fixed my GoPro for me. So big shout out to Logan for fixing my GoPro. And then he asked to buy it from me, but I said no. But still a big thanks to him for fixing it and everything. So the comments say, thanks Logan. Okay, y'all can move now. He should be coming, he'll be home in a little bit, probably. Logan, they got their RZR fixed. One of their RZRs, they have 2 RZRs, they got one of them fixed already. I think they'll be here in a little bit. I have to go over to his house and help him fix a flat tire. That was pretty cool. So I have to go to his house and help him fix a flat tire. So yeah. Yep, that's all I have to say. I swear these guineas run out in front of me. I'm going to run over one of them. So yeah guys, I was just saying thanks for the 40 subscribers. That's pretty cool. And I have another shout out again. My friend Lyle. His account's called Lyle Games. I'll put it in the description below. I'll stick that in the description. I'll stick his account in the description. And just go view it. Show him some love. Like his video. I texted him and said, hey, I'm going to start shouting you out again. I just haven't been active. He said, okay. He really appreciates it and everything. He's been shouting me out. And you gotta just like one of his videos. Yeah, just go and comment and like on his videos or something. Show him some love, please. My friend Logan, he might get a YouTube channel because he's going to get a GoPro probably for Christmas or something. So, I swear. Y'all run out in front of me. Oh. I'm gonna run over them one day. Not on purpose, though. My grandfather watched this video. It's not on purpose. Not purposely gonna run over them. I promise. That's a pretty good air right there. Not a lot, probably like a foot or so, but. Hey guys, I know these hills don't look all that steep and stuff, but when you're riding, the GoPro makes everything look smaller. It makes everything look so much smaller. Like this hill right here, it's way bigger than y'all are thinking. They're really steep. This hill right here is super steep. Like most of these hills are steep. Like this one right here is kind of small. Y'all can see that in the video. But everything looks so much smaller. Like these jumps and all the air I'm getting look so much smaller than that actually is. So. Y'all can get out of the way. So many animals. So yeah. I'll probably have 2 videos coming out. This one and the one if my friend comes over there. He gets to tube everything in his tire. I'll probably do a video on that also, so. If he's over there, so we can ride. He might not be over there, I'm not 100% sure. Crap on track. Grandfather's back with some gas so I can ride. That's good. Rank me. Okay. God, I swear, they can't just move. They'll turn around and make a move. Sorry guys, I like to make noise. It's kind of something I do. I swear, now we're over here again. I did not want this video to be a killing video, so that's why I didn't run over them. that was scary. Just kidding, that was fun. Okay, so if they run out in front of me again, they're actually gonna be dead. Most likely. I'm not saying that. Oh, crap. So guys, 50%, more than 50% of my videos are gonna be videos of me just messing around. Just to let you know. For those guineas right there, I'm probably gonna hit one. Not on purpose, but I don't hate the animals, I just don't like running over them and everything. Getting the opportunity to, at least. Not purpose to kind of run over them, but you know, hit this jump I'm probably gonna case the crap out of like usual. I'm just jumping that for fun. I'm not trying to do anything fancy. Okay, I missed that turn. See if he's over there or not. No. I really wish that the new RZ, what the RZR looks like. They got a new roll cage on it because my friend flipped it, or Logan's friend flipped it, not me. That was pretty cool. That rock bar was pretty darn cool, boss. Why do you like doing that? Probably not gonna ride again later, actually. Might keep doing this. Not sure what their deals are. Running out in front of me, not sure. But try not to hit any. Well, actually, no, I'm gonna push him down that way, actually. Not mean to just do that. I accidentally just downshifted without using the clutch. Guys, I was doing a little riding and stuff, and just messing around. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I'm H. Brandy's 3 here.